my name is Ray P Rafols, and today we're going to talk about history. History is a study of past events, especially those relating to a particular place or subject. Now, we may recall history as the most boring, mundane subject because all of the rumblings about one man who circumnavigated the earth and the Spanish Inquisition. We continue to scratch our heads because we don't even know why we need to study history in the first place. Now, to understand why we need to study history, first we need to take a look at the Codex Lecture, which is a collection of scientific writing by Leonardo da Vinci. It is also the book used by medical professionals today to further understand the human body. It also contains the designs of many various things, such as tanks, submarines, and planes. Imagine if those books weren't discovered. Would our society be entirely different? Well, probably, but it would probably take us longer than that. Now, imagine if these books were burned to ashes. This would bring us back to 1,000 years. And it turns out, it already happened. Because between 270 and 275 AD, the city of Alexandria was destroyed by the Palmyrene invasion and an imperial counterattack, together with a great library. Now, the exact amount of materials housed in this library is unknown, but sources report that there were anywhere from 40,000 to 400,000 papyrus scrolls were in this exact great library. And this library is the center of learning, different experiments, and many more. The great example of this would be Eratosthenes, the father of geography and the great mathematician who discovered the circumference of the earth with a stick. He doesn't even need $1 billion funds for satellites. All he needs is a basic math. These are just one of the many incredible experiment studies conducted by this library. If you take a look at the internet, these are the things that we took for granted. Like the amount of information and data is exactly 1.2 million terabytes. That's 1 terabyte in 1,000 gigabytes. In comparison, a typical softcover novel has with 32 lines per page with 64 characters per line. This comes close from 248 characters or bytes per page. Now, imagine if a disastrous calamity that is out of our comprehension could wipe the internet. Imagine how far behind are we in civilization. If we think about it, the recorded informations from the past made our advancement of technology to skyrocket. The world today without these important discoveries made by historians today, it would take the advancement of technology longer. Thanks for watching.